Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be vlogging this week. It's my last work week for 2017. I've got some really exciting projects and I can't wait to take you guys along with me. And I'm going to be filming with all things hair today, so stay tuned. So about to do the last video for the day, and I've got a special guest.
Okay, yeah, that could work too.
How do you think is that? Because this is a client, we have to be like super PG.
On the bar.
They say we can be ourselves, but like
I feel like I'm gonna struggle.
yeah, I don't know.
Like that already.
Either we're gonna be like super awkward, or we're just gonna laugh and like suck it up. But we're gonna see how this goes.
Oh, that's a perfect mirror.
Hey.
Your heavy big forehead. Nasal. Nasal. My forehead. Look at it. It's like just turn that way. No, the other way, other way, other way.
And this is the final look, guys.
This looks so funny. You look amazing.
For my new musical, Princess Jasmine in Space. Now you can do it too. Don't forget to subscribe. It is Sunday. I hope you can hear me. And Malik and I came to town because we've got a very exciting meeting. I'm meeting Ascia today. Now, if you don't know who Ascia is, she is literally the biggest modest fashion blogger like in the world. And she contacted me about 2 weeks ago, myself and my friend Nabila, and she wants us to be in a campaign video with her for her latest collaboration with Riva. So Ascia's got over 2 million followers. I've been looking up to her for like years and years and years. So this is kind of unreal for me. So we're all going for like a team brunch this morning. I'm really excited and nervous to meet her. So we got here a bit early, like a half an hour early, because we were supposed to go to the waterfront first, but there was so much traffic there because it was 7 January. So now we're at Harvest, and we're first gonna have a coffee there, and we're gonna rush over to Batavia where we are having our brunch. Obviously, we can't like have a normal breakfast without all of this. We had to like go and enlist some paps.
We literally ordered breakfast and immediately got up to take pictures. So
Ascia literally had to, she had to put up an Insta story to get a videographer because that's how important papping
call
is.
out, and we got this fabulous team here.
And photo paps are like mediocre now. Like you need to be moving. Like it needs to be a video pap.
Yeah, it can't be. It can't be just photos anymore.
Yeah, no.
Times are a-changing.
Ascia and I are both having eggs Benny. What are you having next?
Dude, I don't really know what this is called, but I took all the eggs out because I'm allergic to eggs.
Are you allergic to eggs? Oh my god, that's so sad. I'm sorry for you.
I just have to do too much.
Oh, cool. Baby doesn't have food yet. Dada doesn't have food yet. I'm concerned that baby doesn't have food yet. But baby's still smiling, so fine. That's his polite smile. He's taking everything.
Would you like some Spanish omelette?
Oh yeah. What's it like being in front of the camera? Tables have turned. Now I get to boss you.
Sure.
Oh wait, I've been on camera with you before. What am I saying? I've been on live TV before and I just actually forgot about it. Because we'd always do it so early in the morning. That's why. It has been so long. When last did we when was that? When last did we discuss it?
It feels like years ago.
It does. So much has happened this year.
I mean, I promised to watch my makeup.
Yeah.
It's been that long.
Pretty much. So they've set up a little stock room here with all the stuff from Riva, and there's a baby Kuwait, and we are picking out some of our looks that we like to shoot in the campaign. And yeah, that's basically what we're doing. We're styling up. Everybody's here, picking out our stuff. And yeah, we're talking more than we're actually working though, if I'm gonna be honest.
As always.
You can have the heels, you can have the kicks, you can be as bad as you wanna be tonight.
So I just came to the waterfront with this really handsome guy, and I think that's some really cute sunny. I'm gonna show you guys. I just sit down my tripod here. I'm gonna show you my cute sunnies that I chose. Okay. I got me some sunglass hats, they're Gucci. A little bit of Gucci for the pain. I'm obsessed. So sunglass hats only started stocking Gucci like a couple of months ago, and I never found a pair that was like really me, but then I found these today. We're waiting for our food now, so that's actually why I'm killing time talking to you guys. Eating again. We've literally been eating like the whole day. Let me tell you guys something. I'm gonna give you guys some marriage advice. A lot of the time I've gotten emails from like my followers to say like, oh, you know, do you have any tips for newlyweds? This is my one tip. Keep your husband fit. Don't think it's anything else. Like, yes, you must look good for him. Yes, you must, like, you know, be cute and whatever. But the number one tip is feed your man. He's like practice for your baby one day. But most of the time, if they want anything from you, it's gonna be food. And if you cook it and it's delicious, it's even better. And if his meal doesn't come like soon, then he's gonna be cranky. But otherwise, best guy ever.
Talk about this lighting though.
Hey guys, so I am at Riva Middle East Studios with the sexiest person I know, Cynthia. So the three of us are doing a beauty shoot. We actually have to do our own makeup, and then we're doing a beauty editorial, which is very exciting. I think it's such a cool concept because I saw like Daisy Perkins and Amrezy and all those people, they did something similar a couple of months ago.
So you said we were Daisy and basically Amrezy, and we're basically shit?
Yeah. So that's us right now. This is like, guys, this is us roughing it to like 3 beauty bloggers, and you're having us all at one table. This is some rough shit.
Demarcations.
I know. Do you know how hard it was for me to compress my kit today? It was really a first world pain. It's like a year overdue. Now you see, that's when you do that. Then I'm like, why is she so sexy? I can't deal. So this is my first look. I absolutely love it. I was literally eyeing this top the other day at Zara, and then I showed up at my shoot today and it was here, so naturally it was my first option. Quite digging how I did my makeup today as well.
You can be whatever you wanna be tonight.
So I left my shoot at Jan super late, then I went home, packed my bags and came straight to Ascia's hotel, and myself, Ascia and Nabila are going to film 2 YouTube videos for my channel and for her channel, and apparently I'm checked in at the Radisson Red, but I haven't even been there yet, so we're probably gonna have a bit of a late night here, and then I'm gonna head back to my hotel.
Let's leave between you and your husband. Is that weird?
That's a bit weird. but you can visit. So yeah, we're about to get this show on the road, just waiting for us. I think she's busy finding a new scarf style. But yeah, we're gonna film the South African Snacks Challenge. Just take a look, fam. Take a look, take a look. Okay, so we filmed our video earlier. And this is the aftermath. I don't know when it's going to be up on Ascia's channel, but I will link it down below if it's up in time for the vlog. Morning guys. We are leaving the Radisson Red Hotel now. That's where we're staying for the rest of this week. I'll give you a tour of our hotel room and all of that when I come home later. But yeah, we're in the Silo district. Super nice. And I'm getting ready for a long day of shooting.
And you like chocolate milkshake? Is that your favorite chocolate milkshake? Chocolate milkshake.
just came back to my hotel room now. We actually checked into the Radisson Red yesterday. So yeah, so I knew that I was going to be having some long days and late nights in the city this week. So my friends at Radisson Red very kindly agreed to host myself and Malik for the next 4 days. Well, I think I have 3 more nights left. So I'm going to take you on a quick tour of the room. It's very cute. This hotel's only like 3-4 months old. I can't remember when it started, but yeah, I'll show you around. So we're staying in a studio room, and I think the bathroom is actually my favorite thing about this place. Can you guess why? There's a ring light in my mirror. I mean, how annoying is it when you go to a hotel and you're trying so hard to do your makeup and it's just like not proper lighting? Like you can't go wrong here. And it's really nice for selfies as well. Over here we've got some closets. Then we've got this table over here. TV console situation, super comfy, amazing bed, I kid you not. And then obviously this bench can be like taken over to that table, which is really convenient, like if you want to eat and stuff. And then we've got 2 bunk beds, but we're too selfish to have anyone come and sleep by us. And then what I think is so crazy is that everyone has their own TV, so this is like really cool. And yeah, that's pretty much our room. Oh wait, there's one more thing. So then we've got this beautiful view of the city. And you obviously can't see it now, but like the mountain is like there. So basically it's about 9 PM now, and yeah, I'm just gonna get ready for bed and just like chill and have like some lazy tea and snuggles with my mans, and it's gonna be awesome. Morning guys! I sound like Dina.
Yes,
I know, God. I'm very bright. I'm very bright. Getting my makeup done. I think I'm amazing. Yeah, you win. So we are doing our makeup this morning. We are doing day 2 of shooting, and everybody's here. Everybody say hi. 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 And this is other Nabila, makeup artist, very talented as well. I also need a face beat from this one. I just sample everybody's talent. Vlogception. But it's so bright though. Can I come in the shade of your turban? Is that a thing? Is it gonna work? Come. So we are about to go and shoot our street style video and photos, and we're gonna be on the move, and we got a like an exciting van situation over there. Anyways, catch you guys on set.
Hi Keela, I just finished vlogging for you. You're off working right now, so I thought I would record a message on your camera so you can find it a little bit later. But I just wanted to say I've had so much fun spending some time with you and working with you and getting to meet you, which has been so nice. And just thanks for being such a good person in general, and a really good friend, and I can tell you're a great wife, and just all around goals of a woman. So thank you. I appreciate your time and your love and your energy. So all my love.
There's literally nothing better than the feeling of taking your high snatched pony out. I just got changed into my 5th look now, I think it is, and we've got 1 more video to film with 2 more outfits. So this is my first of those 2 outfits. It's a hoodie with this shirt thingy underneath and these grey track pants. So listen to this. I told Ascia we should go to this one place, super cute and super Instagrammable. So she orders a bunch of food that she thinks is gonna be Instagrammable.
And I only order the
stuff that I think is gonna like look nice and then also taste nice so I can try it, but
And it had to be like halal friendly.
yeah, and so I didn't have anything good. It was like no meat.
Yeah, I mean it wasn't
just
bad. It wasn't bad, but you bought the food for Instagram.
I bought it for Instagram and then the halalness and for us to like, but nothing, you know?
So then we were like, okay, cool, we're gonna go home. We're about to greet, and I'm like, oh, there's another like place over there. Let's just go have dessert, and then we all just actually decided to come and have a second supper. So we are at the yard. So I'm gonna end off this vlog now. I came to my nieces and we came to have some quality time. Can you say your line?
I'm going to go to the beach.
When are we going to the beach?
I don't know.
Don't forget to like,
Don't forget to like,
share,
share,
and subscribe.
and subscribe.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.